Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how you can manage your activity status on Instagram. Maybe you want to manage your activity status on Instagram, but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to show you on how you can manage your activity status on Instagram. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Instagram application and log in with your Instagram account. After that, you'll be directed into this Instagram homepage. From here, you'll see at the lower right corner of your screen your Instagram profile icon. Tap on it. And then in here, tap on these three lines at the upper right corner of your screen. And then from here, select Settings and Privacy. And then in here, you have to scroll down and you will see how others can interact with you. Tap on these Messages and Story Replies. And then from here, you'll see who can see you are online. Tap on this Show Activity Status. And then here you have two options. Show Activity Status or show when you are active together. For example, you want to turn off on Show Activity Status, simply toggle this button to turn it off. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can manage activity status on your Instagram, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can manage activity status on your Instagram, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.